See, we have this problem. Prove that sin 21 cos 9 minus cos 84 cos 6 is equal to 1 by 4. Right? In this is equal to what we are having here is 1 by 2. We multiplied and divided by 2 and we applied 2 sin A cos B. Here 2 cos A cos B. This is now 1 by 2 into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Minus this is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Now this is equal to sin 30 degrees, that is 1 by 2 plus sin 12 degrees like this, right? Minus cos 90 0 and this is minus cos 78. Cos 78 is nothing but we can write it as cos 90 minus 12 degrees we can write. Right? This is now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus sin 12 degrees minus sin 12 degrees like this. Now minus sin 12 plus sin 12, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4 you are having here like this. Right? Like this we will do this particular problem. Right? Now see here the second one, find the value of sin 34 plus cos 64 minus cos 4 degrees. Right? What we do is this, in this we have now sin 34 degrees. This is now cos C minus cos D. Right? Cos 64 degrees minus cos 4 degrees like this. Now this is sin 34 degrees plus cos C minus cos D. That is nothing but minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. Right? Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. 64 plus 4. 68 by 2. That is now 34 degrees. Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. That is nothing but 64 minus 4. 60 by 2. That is nothing but 30 degrees. Right? Now this is sin 34 degrees minus 2 into sin 34 degrees into 1 by 2. These 2 will cancel. Now sin 34 minus sin 34, that is 0. See, therefore the value of this is nothing but 0 degrees. Right? Just 0. The value is 0. Now we have another important problem. Prove that cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 minus cos 76 into cos 16 degrees is equal to 3 by 4. Right? How we are going to do this particular problem? We need to prove this part. That's why what we do is left hand side we take this is equal to cos square 76 degrees. Cos square 16, that is nothing but 1 minus sin square 16 degrees minus, right? Cos 76 into cos 16 degrees we are having here. What we do is to apply that formula, we multiply and divide by 2. That means 2 cos 76 degrees cos 16 degrees. Right? This is what we are having here. Right? Now this become what we can write is 1 plus cos square 76 degrees minus sin square 16 degrees. Right? Minus 1 by 2 into 2 cos A cos B. That is 2 cos A cos B. That formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Right? Cos A plus B. That is now cos A plus B. 76 plus 16. That is 86 plus 16. Right? That is nothing but 92. Right? Cos 92. You are going to have like this. Plus cos A minus B. Right? That is nothing but cos 60 degrees. What you are having is cos 60 degrees. This is now 1 plus cos square A minus sin square B, like this. Cos square A minus sin square B, that is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. That is now cos 76 degrees plus 16 degrees. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, like this. 76 minus 16 degrees, like this. Minus 1 by 2 into, right, cos 92 degrees. Right, and this is minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees. That is 1 by 2. Like. Now this is 1 plus cos, right, 76 plus 16. That is nothing but we will be getting that value as like cos 92 degrees, like this. Cos 92 degrees, right, into cos 60 degrees, like. Fine. Right, see, this is a cos square A minus sin square B is cos A plus B into, this is not plus, into cos A minus B, like this. Now this is what you are having is cos 92 into cos 76 minus 16, that is cos 60, that is nothing but 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into cos 92 degrees, minus 1 by 4. This will cancel now. 1 minus 1 by 4 like this. Now this is 4 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. In this beautiful way we will get with simple technique this type of problems. Now we have another different problem. If a comma b not equal to 0, sin x plus sin y equal to a and cos x plus cos y equal to b. Find the value of number 1, tan x plus y by 2, sin of x minus y by 2 in terms of a and b, like this, right? This is now sin x plus sin y equal to a, right? And cos x plus cos y is equal to b, like this. Cos x plus cos y is equal to b, like this. Now sin c plus sin d, that is nothing but 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin x plus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2, like this. This is equal to a. Now cos c plus cos d, that is nothing but 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, like this. This is equal to b, right? Now let us divide equation 1 by equation 2, like this. 1 divided by 2. If we do this part, this is what you are having is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 whole thing divided by 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to a by b, like this. This cancel this. Now we have got tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to a by b, right? Tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to a by b we have got, right? Very good. Now you see, my dear students, what we do is we want now sin of x minus y by 2. Sin of x minus y by 2, right? We have got tan of x plus y by 2 as that. Now we want sin of x minus y by 2. For that what we do is, right, we will erase this part. Now to get the second part, what we do is, let us do a square plus b square. Once you do a square plus b square, we have here sin x plus sin y whole square plus cos x plus cos y whole square, like this. Cos x plus cos y whole square. A square plus b square is equal to this. That means now you see sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y, like this. 2 sin x sin y. Cos x plus cos y whole square, that is nothing but cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y, like this. 2 cos x cos y, right? Now sin square x plus cos square x is 1, sin square y plus cos square y is 1. Now you take 2 common, sin x sin y plus 2 cos x cos y. 2 if you take common in this, right? You are going to get cos of x minus y, like, because cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, that is nothing but cos of x minus y, right? Now from this we will get cos x minus y, right? Okay, this is of course, now this is 2 plus 2 times of cos of x minus y, like this. Now cos of x minus y is equal to, you will be getting that a square plus b square minus 2 by 2, right? This is what cos of x minus y. Wonderful. Now from that we need to get sin of x minus y by 2, right? We know that 1 minus of cos of x minus y, 1 minus of cos of x minus y, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta, that is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. That means 2 sin square x minus y by 2. This, right? Wonderful. Now by using this, once again I am repeating, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. That means 1 minus of a square plus b square minus 2 by 2, right? This is equal to 2 times of sin square x minus y by 2, like this, right? This means you have here 2 minus, let us write this, let us take LCM and simplify. 2 minus a square minus b square plus 2 whole by 2 right? This is equal to 2, okay, into, let us bring that 2 here, this 2 here, sine square x minus y by 2. Sine square x minus y by 2, like this. Now 2 plus 2 is what? 4 minus a square minus b square by 4 is equal to sine square x minus y by 2, like this. Sine square x minus y by 2, you got it as like this. Now sine of x minus y by 2, sine of x minus y by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 minus a square minus b square by 4. That's all you are going to get. If you remove the square root for this 4, you will be getting that as 2. Right, my dear students, in that way you will be getting this particular problem. Of course, if you remove from this square root, you will be getting this is, okay, by 2. Wonderful. Like this we will do this particular problem, right? See, now we have the fifth problem. Prove that cos 12 plus cos 84 plus cos 132 plus cos 156 degrees is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is what we require to prove. You see, my dear students, what we are going to have, the left hand side part, if we take, this is now cos 12 degrees plus cos 132 degrees, like this, plus this is now cos 84 degrees plus cos 156 degrees, like this, right? This is what we have here. Now, right, let us group these two and let us apply cos C plus cos D formula. Cos C plus cos D is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2. 12 plus 132, that is 144 by 2. That becomes, what is that value? 144 by 2. That is nothing but 72 degrees, like 2 cos 72 degrees. Okay, cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. 12 minus 132, that is minus 120 degrees. Cos of minus theta become cos theta, that is 60 degrees you are going to have. Plus, this is also cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2. That is nothing but 84 plus 156 by 2. 156 and 84. 10. 240. That means 240 you are getting here. That 240 value is nothing but by 2. That means 120 degrees you will be getting. 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. 156, 84 minus 156. That is now you are going to have 15 minus 72 by 2. That is nothing but 36 degrees, like this. Right, we just applied here 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. Here also 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. That is what we have applied there, of course. 2 cos 120, cos 36 degrees. Now this become 2 into cos 72 degrees is also is equal to sin 18 degrees. Already we told that, because you can write cos 72 as cos 90 minus, okay, 18. That become sin 18, and cos 60 degrees value is nothing but 1 by 2, right? Plus, and 2 cos 120 degrees. Cos 120 degrees value is here, my dear students, minus 1 by 2. Because this is 2 into cos 90 plus 30 minus sin 30, that become minus 1 by 2 into cos 36 degrees value. This 2 will cancel this. Now you have sin 18 degrees, right? Sin 18 degrees minus cos 36 degrees we are having here. Sin 18 degrees value is now, sin 18 degrees value is root 5 minus 1 by 4, like this. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is now root 5 plus 1 by 4, like this. 4, if it is cancelled, root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 1, like this. Minus 2 by 4. That is minus 1 by 2. See, in this, the technical steps what you are using, just by looking, you have to group what groups you have to make. And after making the groups, you need to apply cos C plus cos D, like that. And after applying that, you have to do these things, right? Then you will be getting these problems, like cos C plus cos D, most probably you have used, and you simplified, you got this particular problem. See this problem now, what we have here, show that for any theta belongs to R, 4 sine 5 theta by 2 cos 3 theta by 2 cos 3 theta. This is equal to, you need to prove sine theta minus sine 2 theta plus sine 4 theta plus sine 7 theta. This is what you require to prove. Now you take the left hand side part. This is equal to, what you are having the left hand side part is 4 sine 5 theta by 2 cos 3 theta by 2 cos 3 theta, right? Let us group this one, like I am going to write this as 2 into 2 sine 5 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta by 2, right, into cos 3 theta, like this, into cos 3 theta. Now this is something like 2 into 2 sine A cos B, that is now, sine A plus B, sine A plus B, 5 theta by 2 plus 3 theta by 2, sine A plus B plus sine A minus, that is nothing but sine of 5 theta by 2 minus 3 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta, like this. Now this is 2 times of sine 3 theta plus 3 theta, 5 theta plus 3 theta, 8 theta by 2, that is nothing but 4 theta plus sine 5 theta minus 3 theta, 2 theta by 2, sine theta, like this you are having here, into cos 3 theta, right? Fine. Once we have got these things like this, now this is 2 sine 4 theta, 2 sine 4 theta cos 3 theta plus 2 sine theta into cos 3 theta, like this. Now this is 2 sine A cos B, that is nothing but sine A plus B. Sine A plus B means sine 7 theta. Sine A plus B plus sine A minus B, that is nothing but sine theta, right? Fine. Next, 2 sine A cos B, sine A plus B, that is now sine 4 theta, right? And sine A minus B, that is nothing but sine of theta minus 3 theta, that is minus 2 theta. Therefore, this is nothing but what you are getting is, let us write in this proper format what they have given. Sine theta, sine of minus 2 theta is nothing but minus sine 2 theta, like this. This is now sine of minus 2 theta, right? Plus sine 4 theta plus sine 7 theta, like this, right? That way we are getting this particular problem, right, my dear students? Wonderful. In this way we are just simplified, applied the formula, and we got this particular problem. Now see, we have another different problem. If none of a plus b is an integral multiple of pi, prove that 1 minus cos a plus cos b minus cos of a plus b by 1 plus cos a minus cos b minus cos of a plus b is equal to tan a by 2 into cot b by 2, right? This is what you require to prove, my dear students. Let us take the left hand side part and we try to get the right hand side part. This is something like what we can write is, okay, the 1 minus of cos a plus b. Okay, we write this first. Next we are having here minus cos a plus cos b, like this, right? That minus, if I take common here, that is nothing but minus, okay, cos a minus cos b, like this, right? Now here also 1 minus of cos a plus b, like this, what we are having here, 1 minus of cos a plus b. We can write this plus of cos a minus cos b, like this, cos a minus cos b, right? Wonderful. Now we have grouped these things like this, and we try to simplify these further, right? How we are going to do that is, now you see, my dear students, 1 minus cos a plus b, that is 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square theta by 2, that is now 2 sine square a plus b by 2, like this. 2 sine square a plus b by 2 minus cos c minus cos d, that is nothing but 2, okay, sine, this is cos c minus cos d is nothing but minus 2 sine c plus d by 2, sine c minus d by 2, sine a minus b by 2, like this, right? Fine. And this minus into minus will become plus, if we can take this as plus. Now whole thing divided by, here also you are having 1 minus cos a plus b, that is nothing but 2 sine square, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2, that is now a plus b by 2, right? Plus Here also you have cos C minus cos D like this. Plus symbol we are having here. That becomes what you are going to get is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. This is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. This. Right, my dear students. Now once we get the things like this, now see how we are going to proceed this problem. 2 sin A plus B by 2. We take 2 sin A plus B by 2 as common. If you take 2 sin A plus B by 2, right, as common thing now like this, what we are going to get now out of it is we will do. Okay, now this is 2 sin A plus B by 2. If we take this one, now this becomes sin A plus B by 2. If we take common, plus sin A minus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2 like this. This whole thing divided by, right, my dear students. Here also 2 sin A plus B by 2. If you take common, 2 sin A plus B by 2. If you take common, this is now sin A plus B by 2. Sin A plus B by 2, right, minus sin A minus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2 like this, right? Wonderful. Now this is equal to, now we are writing this as 2 sin A plus B by 2, 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A plus B by 2 plus sin A minus B by 2. That is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B formula. That is 2 sin A by 2, 2 sin A by 2 into cos B by 2 like this, right? Whole thing divided by, and here also 2 sin A plus B by 2. We have this common, and you can, of course this will be cancelled. However, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, that is nothing but sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, that is nothing but 2 cos A by 2 sin B by 2 like this, right? Here 2 will cancel. Sin A by 2 by cos A by 2 become tan A by 2. Cos B by 2 by sin B by 2 become cot B by 2 like this. This way we will be proving this particular problem. Right, my dear students? Fine. Thank you.